Hey guys, good morning. Today is a Saturday. Welcome to a new video and welcome to my channel. If you are new, I hope you stay and enjoy more of my content by clicking the subscribe button down below to become a part of this family. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. As always, your continuous support is highly appreciated. Guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be organizing the guest bedroom. As always, if you've been on the channel, you guys know it has turned into a sort of like clean laundry room. Like we slashela yonke into onto the bed, like clean clothes and everything. Every time I need to sort out laundry, I just put it on that bed and forget about it and tell myself I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, up until it piles up. So today I want to sort it out. There's like bedding on there, clothes, um what's this, towels, everything. Today I woke up and I cleaned my outdoor kitchen, well, the area that I used to use as my outdoor kitchen way back during load shedding days. I had my gas stove that side and I used to cook there. So now my husband's gonna be using it as his temporary office, and so I cleaned it out this morning, mopped, washed the windows. I'm gonna put up some curtains on Monday because I need that curtain, is it called curtain wire? I need to go buy that, and today I won't have time to do that, but we've moved in his desk, his chair, his PC, everything is there. And then what else did I do? Okay, right now I am filling up the tub with water because I think there's a pipe burst, water pipe burst down the road, and somehow it's affecting us as well. I saw the pressure is becoming a little bit low compared to this morning. So I'm filling up the tap in case they shut it completely. We need water to flush. So yeah, I'm just filling up the tap for that. And then I'm also going to be changing our bedding today. I'm just boiling water on top of the stove. I prefer soaking my white bedding actually with hot boiling water. I usually soak it for like a day. So tomorrow I'll just throw it into the washing machine and then wash it. So yeah, there's that. And then right now in the washing machine I have the blanket that we were using, our gowns. Yeah, I think our gowns and the blanket. Yeah. So as soon as that is done, I'm gonna hang it. I also washed the laundry for the week this morning, and no, last night. And so this morning I just had to hang it, and then yeah, and because I don't have enough space so that I can hang the rest of the stuff like the blanket and the gowns that are in the machine right now. So yeah, let us go and clean the guest bedroom because I want to wipe down the wardrobes and vacuum as well. I have to do a lot of things in one day. I don't know if I told you guys this, but I am currently volunteering at this other NPO right now. So I am not home Monday to Friday, 8 to 4. And so the only time that I have is when I knock off. And by the time I get home, it's like past 5 to 6, and I have to cook. I am tired. So I don't have time to clean the whole house. So the only time that I have is on Saturdays because on Sundays I'm at church. So that is why I'm trying to cram everything into one day. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video. Let us go organize that room, and then what else do I need to, I don't know if I'm gonna cook. Maybe I'll just make, I don't know, I'll ask my husband to make some chips maybe because I don't think I'll be up for it, but we'll see because I also need to do some meal preps, but that I can do tomorrow for the upcoming week. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let us get started.
morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound
over the edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume.
Hey guys, this is me much later on. I am done with most of the things that I wanted to do today, although I still need to clean the kitchen. I think I'll take care of that tomorrow after church. But the rest of the house, the laundry is done, the rest of the house is picked up. It's not that dirty. I think I'll just mop the common area tomorrow. And yeah, that's about it. As you guys can probably hear, it is pouring outside, like pouring. So yeah, I'm gonna go and take a shower and then just rest for the rest of the evening. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. I just wanted to come here and close off this video. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. I really do hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel to join the family. Please give me a like, comment, and yeah, have a fantastic week, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good